How to fix voice calling problem on Android. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to fix voice calling problem on Android device. So do watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, if you are facing this kind of issue on your Android device, simply hop into settings on your device. And then you need to scroll down, locate mobile network. After a while, you need to select the option for your SIM card which you are facing the problem in. After that, tap preferred network type on the section. And you need to select 4G, 3G or 2G and auto option. Come back to this page of settings. Scroll down. Look at the option for Reset network settings. If you don't find this way, you can tap on the search bar at top of the screen and type in reset. Wait for a while until the options are loaded on this page. Now select Reset Network Settings. Now tap Reset Network Settings again, and you need to verify your identity entering your fingerprint. And then tap Reset Network Settings. After you do that, your voice calling problem on your Android device will be fixed. I hope this video helped for you. Thank you for watching, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.